What is up? Another review. Bought a new cowbell. This is my old one. This is just traditional cowbell that you'd probably get. Rock cowbell. And we got this little smaller one. This is a Baja cowbell. You can get this at Guitar Center fairly cheap. I can't remember the size of this, but you can see it's a little bit smaller than this. They have several different sizes. I like this because it was a little bit higher pitched than the other one. So I'm going to play with this for a second. I'll compare them here in a second. But thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. I've got plenty of other videos on different reviews and stuff. Thanks for watching.